right, tell them what you're doing in the car, Sammy.
All right, so as you guys seen, I already buckled that fender in LA last weekend. This fender I had to replace because I buckled it after Cali Creaming, so I was like, you know what, at this point I'm already gonna paint it because like the red doesn't even match. So I was like, might as well repaint it. I put my other hood on because I like that hood better. I think it looks cool. I'm gonna do I'm gonna color match it, and then right here on the vents, I'm gonna restore the carbon and leave the carbon there, but the rest will be red. On the bottom of the bumpers, skirts, I did black only because like it was cheaper at the time and I'd rather not pay to get it painted. But since I'm gonna get the car painted anyways, I'm gonna do the OEM Nismo gray. Mirrors I wrapped black at the time because I thought it looked cool and it kind of matched, but I'm gonna paint those red.
Yeah, I thought you were about to say gray.
Probably repaint red for show. Yeah, just like small body work stuff, like cooking it. I gotta take the wing off. I gotta take everything off. I hope I don't have to take this off where they can put it on. I got first steel. That's about it. I'm looking probably gonna do like I want to do like a close to the same red, but like with like a metallic or like a little small little pearl to it. So.
Yo, what's up, vlog? But yeah, it's pretty fried. Sammy's car is still like pretty new, and he's gonna have to repaint his car already. So I'm taking him to drop off his car for paint, and then tomorrow I'm driving to Fresno, like crazy outside, but it's alright. Bro, me and Sammy were driving to the gas station and we saw some crazy static Tesla. That shit was like super dumped. Hey, if you're watching this, bro, hit me up. We're trying to get you in Superstar for show. That shit is crazy tough, bro. Okay. Damn, good ass car. It's about to look crazy though. No, I actually do like this hood. Like painted's gonna look tough.
And like the carbon, I think the vents look cool. It'll complement the side skirts and shit when I paint them gray, you know?
Yeah. So. Superstar keychains. Seats in the game, stop playing with Superstar. But yeah, me and Sammy are, I don't even know where we are, somewhere in SD. About to drop his car off to get paint. I need to put my quick release on, bro. I've been lagging. Firefire's scary. It's like all message crazy. Sammy got cut by barbed wire, gone wrong. Spider-Man.
Hop in the board right now.
Dude, you actually look like Spider-Man right now.
It's the best way to get down.
That's a crazy method to get in.
Crazy.
I think you're just gonna have to jump down there, foo.
Hot as a dick. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Jump, pussy.
I want to put my ankle.
Backflip. Like Tiger. Yeah, looks like Sammy's car got totaled, but it's just a rock. Dude, yeah, this shit's fried. And like up like his door and everything. You have to jump back over now?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because he has to walk it. That's not the key for this. That's just like, I think he has a key on it. He told me in the morning, but that's the key for like the shop.
I think the other way you went was better.
what? This is I had to climb up.
Same thing.
Oh yeah, I was getting my homie's keys, my shop. I was gonna work on my car, but he accidentally locked it. So I had to hop it, but yeah.
Who's this? Jacob or what?
I honestly forgot his name. He's a painter guy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Thanks for being on Sunday Live.
Let me get my keys real quick.
What's over here jumping the fence?
What's up? Oh. Let me get the keys real quick.
Fool's about to get us hit with a hammer or some shit.
No. I got the key.
Well, that piece was easy to take off. See what time it is. It's 11:36. Hot as 11:37. Hot as. Bruh, this fool Sammy was literally saying like, yeah, I'm not gonna paint car anymore. Cause when he first got it, he's like, I'm gonna paint it. Then he's like, I'm not gonna paint it. And then this shit happens and
I did mine as well.
painting
I
it.
already paid like 500 to paint the other fender, and it doesn't even match perfectly. I would have had to pay 500 for this fender. For it to not match, I was like, bro, that's a band right there. I paid for a paint correction of ceramic, that was like 600 at DJ. It's like, dude, that's might as well just paint the car this
So is
time.
your skirt too? Or is it still fine?
No, I was looking like messed up a little bit right here. But like, I have a spare one, so like that's why like
Oh, the same exact one?
It's my driver's side. Yeah, then this is the add-on. It's a driver's side one, and then
So it's fried. Holy. $12.15.
how long have I been doing this thing?
Salvage title NISMO. Dude, Tammy's tires. Dude, you literally have like a crack right here. I think you might be losing
Oh, my tire.
tire.
Right here, this the bubble. Oh. Hold this bitch. Good boy. Oh.
Put it on your back. This wing is off.
Disassembled the whole car. Bumpers off. We got the wing off.
Wingless NISMO.
Door handles off. Mirrors off. Fenders off. Hoods off. I'll left the headlights on, so when he puts the new fenders on, we'll show him the fenders. I will show him after. But so when they score off the fenders, because they're fiberglass ones, so yeah, you can just line it up a little better. And then when it does square in the body, they can paint it. Skirts are left on because I'm lazy.
NISMO totaled. Clickbait.
This was gone, bro. But yeah, those are the fenders that I got. I think they're pretty tough.
Here's the old.
Yeah.
Here's the new.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how the NISMO look when it's done. But yeah, we got a mob home, bro. Like, I didn't realize this place was so far. Every time I heard Sean talk about it.
Dude, what makes it far is that it's way out of the road or way out of the way of the freeway. Like, you're like half the way we're driving on the road. We're not even like
Yeah.
we're on back roads.
No, because we're in Ramona right
It's a cool
now.
drive, huh?
Yeah, that show's like an hour and 10-minute drive at least. Even when I looked it up last night, no traffic, hour 10, I was like, fried. That was from my girl's house. That's even like closer. But yeah, I can't wait to see the Z. And then when I get home, I gotta go to Smiley's and mount a pair of tires on my LS 105s because I'm gonna drive on those to Fresno. I'm gonna be dumped, but it's whatever. Car will be fine. and then I'm flipping the tires on my Garsons. In worst case scenario, if like they're up or something, I bought brand new tires just in case. Cause always will use those tires, bro. If I don't use them now, I'll use them in a month or so. Bro's taking a shower with Clorox wipes.
I'm bleaching my skin.
It's definitely terrible for you.
Hell nah. You know what's worse? It's like the food we eat.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, yeah, this shit's pretty bad too. But yeah, America's shit is terrible, bro. Wingless NISMO totaled from a rock. Oh, it's actually not totaled, but all this is because we hit a rock. I didn't even hit it. This guy hit it.
At this point, like, I'm gonna paint the whole car.
Shout out Cruz Tacos.
When I'm out in public, know I got the switchy tuck. Niggas try to use their feet, I guess they ran up out of luck.